If you hate doing something, do it together with something else that you like doing. Can you give me examples that you've been doing this before? Listening to music while working. Very good. Give me other examples. I hate washing dishes. Who does? Who hates washing dishes? Wow, you don't have dishes at home? Who hates washing? Maybe take. A lot of us don't, right? So what do? I live alone. Washing dishes is usually 20 minutes. So I will watch my favorite Netflix episode for 20 minutes while washing the dishes. It takes away psychologically the stress of having to do something that I don't like. That's called the tandem technique. The tandem technique doesn't have to be an activity. It could also be a person. Meaning, if you don't like doing something, do it with someone that you like. It doesn't have to be romantic, by the way. Kayo naman, no? Lahat na ng romantic eh. Lahat ba dito single? Kaya ganon? Uhaw na uhaw? You guys are thirsty, huh? My point is this. If you're intimidated to present in front of an audience, tag along someone that makes you feel comfortable. Focus your attention to that one person as if the audience is just that one person. You'll feel better speaking in front of that audience as well. That's called tandem technique.